shaking, Mr. Dave here on the rock pile up here in Carlsbad, California, right on the beautiful sunny coast of California. Been working on this project for a couple of weeks now in between rainstorms, and I thought I would give you a little walk and talk and so we can check it out, man. So we got here, all this has been rebuilt where you see gray cement, and that has been quite the endeavor. This whole process has been done in the same way you see here. We have rebar that's been placed into areas where the rock is completely, utterly collapsed and fallen apart. Yesterday we filled that in with concrete. We put the pegboard on the underside so we could access it from the top. So we dumped stuff in from the top up here and then vibrated that to get it to fill in real tight. That's a vertical area that I could probably just throw stuff on because it's really sticky. I add spec mix, which is a mortar, to it. And then this place here, we're going to put in some burlap on the inside, most likely a couple, maybe a stick or two of rebar to connect that together with this one. The whole feature has been made years ago with the same system of rebar with diamond lath on top, and then that caused it to fall apart and collapse after years, and sometimes not even years. So gotta encase your steel, as I've been harping on for years and years. So anyway, there you have it, Mr. Dave on the rock pile, hoping you're having a good day. And remember to be grateful and thankful every day. And that'll be the best strategy for a happy life. And it's more fun being happy, as I like to say. So